Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to reset your password of Twitter account. Let's begin. Open your X app. Then over here you can see a person icon or profile icon or on your top left corner. Tap on it. Then you can see setting and support. Tap on it. There you can see the option of setting and privacy. Here also you can see the option of your account. Click on it. Here you can see the option of change your password, account information. Click on change your password. If you remember your current password, you can do it by changing the current password. We have forgotten our password, so we'll click on forgot your password. Here you have to enter your email address, phone number and username. Then I've entered my username. I'll click on search. Here you'll get the information of send it to your email or to your phone number. There you'll get your verification code. I have got one. I'll copy the code. Then I'll paste it. Then click on verify. Then you can enter your new password or create a new password. I'll type mine. I've entered my password. You have to type it twice over here as well as over here. Then tap on reset password. Then they'll ask you, why did you change your password? I forgot my password, that's why I changed it. So I click on forgot and submit. They'll say continue to Twitter. Then your password has been changed officially. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.